OnPrintShop and Radix, we recognized that we needed to have a platform that we could work on top of that would sort of unify our communications with the customer, open up new opportunities to drive business, and also improve the way that we handle work internally. That was really kind of one of the core issues, was having a single platform that we could take online orders, but also process work and manage work internally without having a real complex MIS type system. So in terms of like new business opportunities that we see with OPS, the biggest one are direct to customer. We don't necessarily say direct to consumer. We're a B2B company. So we're not going out there into the consumer marketplace necessarily, but it is important for buyers to be able to find us online if they choose to create and order things directly without necessarily having to go through the manual estimation and order process. So there's definitely some great opportunities for new business in that direction with a web platform. In terms of just general kind of process improvement, we're looking for some things like automation. We're looking to be able to have very simplified job entry, extremely simplified estimating management, so that we're not, what we've found really is that the legacy way of producing work is a barrier, frankly. I mean, it kind of slows you down. It makes it harder to respond to the client. It's not as flexible. So we're really looking, and we feel like we've found with OPS a partner that is willing to help maintain that flexibility and the simplicity of use. In terms of just raw, numerical benefit that you can measure, for instance, we have one client that's a major telecom in the United States that we process hundreds and hundreds of orders every month. We went from that volume of orders taking multiple days to enter to we can now enter hundreds of orders in a day. So it's dramatically cut back on the amount of person power that's required to get the jobs into production, and it's simplified the way that we communicate internally. So probably our biggest frustration is how do we move more into the system more quickly so that we can get that benefit. I think there's some intangible improvements that we see just in terms of the look and feel of the system. It's easier for our staff to use. It's just, it improves the communication all the way through the process.